Jungle.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's episode is going to my local Target to see what they got. Last time I went there, I ended up finding the custom auto Target edition, or the red edition, with the red circle tracker. So yeah, guys, I'll keep you guys with me as much as I can to kind of dig around in there. Once I find a parking spot, I can actually go in there and hopefully I find something good. Alright guys, so really cool finds today. I ended up finding a Super, which I'm super stoked on. I'm actually satisfied for today. Normally when I go out and I look on pegs and I don't find anything, it's very, it's not, you don't feel accomplished. You just feel like you wasted time going from one store to the other. But I ended up finding some good ones today. So I ended up finding the super treasure hunt of the Nissan Skyline R35 and that really cool Spectra Flame Blue. I've been seeing people post it and I'm super glad I kept digging in that box, because I was real close to just giving up, because you skim through it once, you're like, oh, I don't see anything, but then you skim through it again and something catches your eye, and it was the real riders that caught my eye. I just saw the tires and I thought, all right, there it is, there's a Super. Followed up with just a regular treasure hunt of the Daytona. There was a couple ID chase cars that I found, the little dinosaur one, but I don't really care for fantasy stuff like that, so I left that along with another Daytona for someone else to find. So hopefully the next guy that goes looking, I made it easy for them. Alright, let's get out of here. Cool, got the finds. Alright, be careful with the bag. Oh, well, hello, Ruby. Hope you've been doing good today. All right. All right. There we go. All nice and good. Got everything here. All right. Let's turn this on. Yeah, much better. All right, guys. So today's finds. This is the Jeepney, the 2020, and if you don't know what a Jeepney is, it is what they use in the Philippines for transportation. I thought it's super cool that they gave a nod to the Philippines. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what an actual Jeepney looks like. Alright, so I've had this for about 14 or so years. My wife got it for me. My wife's Filipina, so anything that has to do with the Philippines or Jeepneys I think is pretty cool. She picked this up over there and you can see the price. That is 249 pesos. What I don't know what equivalence to our dollar is. It's probably like $4 or something. But this is what the Jeepney is. It's pretty cool. So the fact that Mattel actually casted one for them is pretty sweet. Of course, they put their take on it with making it more like a hot rod and kind of modified and all that stuff. So I ended up picking up this one as well as the new color variation of it. So I got the red. I ended up picking up 3 of these, which I will open one of them so you guys can actually check out the detail. Open up this one. Look at that, came out all clean. You can see that it looks a lot like how the Jeeps look. And if you don't know the history of the Jeepney, it's kind of cool, you know. When we were over there, World War II era time frame, we left our Jeeps over there. And then they ended up taking it and modifying them for their means of transportations, making taxis out of them. So it's pretty cool. It's got the clear top. It's also got a clear back. And then you can look inside and see the benches that are along the sides. And then, yeah, it's chrome interior. It's got the aero disc wheels that I don't really care for. It's got the purple ones in the front, pink. And then, yeah, it's pretty cool. This one says Road Bandit Taxi, and this one also says Road Bandit Taxi. So nothing different as far as tampos go, except that one's got the purplish blue glass, same chrome trim, chrome interior, all that stuff, except the only thing that's different is the red and yellows and the glass color. So, oh, and the wheels are different on this one. This one's got the split RP5s, which I do like the most, but this one's actually pretty sweet. I'm gonna actually keep these ones in the case, but I wanted to get one that I can actually open up for you guys. So it's pretty cool. I like it. I might put this back in the case, that way it can just sit in there as such. But yeah, so I ended up finding these, and I thought they were pretty cool. Next one I ended up getting was another one of these Daytona treasure hunts. It's more of the tuned series. It's from the tuned series. It's pretty cool. The other one that I have right here, I've had probably a few months. The package wasn't in great shape. This one's in a lot better shape as far as the blister pack goes. You can actually see the number printed through on that one. I don't know why it's like that, but this one doesn't have it at all. They're from the same case and everything. Nothing different as tampos, no errors, no issues. I still like that black chrome that they used instead of the polished chrome. So pretty cool cast. Ended up picking up a second one. Other one I ended up finding, which is pretty sweet, was the white variant, or the red variant of the white one I have. So this is the 19 A class. This is the A250, I believe. We had this as a rental car one time. Pretty small, but pretty nice at the same time. If you haven't seen the white variant of it, it's pretty clean as well. So this is the other version, and then this is the red, of course. So I think the red looks much better. The wheel choice is much better, all black, no polished lip like this one. The detail's really, really nice on both. You got the headlight, the grille, everything's fully detailed. Even on the red one, you can see the front plate. Everything looks very, very nice. I'm glad they actually fully detailed this one, but I do like the red one. Red one's my favorite color. I'm not going to open up those. Next one I ended up finding was this Dodge Charger drift car. I'm not too big into it, but I kind of wanted to just pick it up because I haven't seen it, and I like that matte blue. So no detail work. It's got the red windows with the, looks like a white interior. No, it's a gray interior. It's got the black base. No tail light work, no other tampos except for the side and the roof. So the detail work on this one's definitely lacking. It kind of just looks like a brick, but picked it up anyways. Next ones were the Golf. I have this one already, but I thought I would open it up for you guys. That way you can see the full detail of it. Now I know these are common, but the one I'm really looking for is the white one, but that one's the Dollar General exclusive. So this one by far is my favorite casting for the Mustangs that Hot Wheels has. I do love the 65 2+2s, and just the way this looks, so retro and so much of how the Mustang should look. You know, low profile, still has a moderately wide body, and Mustangs aren't wide, but just sits really, really nice. They picked a really good wheel choice for it, and of course that like heritage color. Absolutely love this one, so it's definitely going to go up with my extra piece. The next one I do have already, but I bought this one just so I can open it for you guys. It's the white variation of the 05 Mustang. This one I think got popular from the Forza game, and it's just really, really sweet. So Same thing. I'm gonna open it up for you guys. All right, cool. So if you're not big on Mustangs, actually utilize the Roush wing on there, and the Carroll Shelby style quarter panel window covers. It does have the clear tail lights that kind of run with the windows, so that it's blue just to match the glass itself. The interior looks to be black, but it's actually a closed window car, so you can't really tell. And then in the front, you can see the slight detail of the intercooler or heat extractor, whichever they're using up front. Looks like an intercooler. I believe it's an intercooler. Yeah, it's just the hoses that run down to the front mount intercooler with the splitter. Now, the only thing I don't like about this cast is how the front splitter here is down and opened like it's supposed to, but in this cast, it's more of like a sandwiched straight up in the air, and it's like flush with the bumper. That's the biggest thing I don't like about this one that I've noticed. But I do love the Hot Wheels Racing Team tampos that are on these. So it's a pretty cool piece. You can see the roll cage in there. And yeah, really, really cool. So that one's going to go with that as well. And last but not least, I am not opening this one. I ended up finding another super treasure hunt. This is the 17 R35 50th anniversary version. You can clearly see underneath here, congratulations, we're celebrating 25-year treasure hunt. You just found one. It's got the real riders. You can see the nice detail of the tail lights if my camera would just focus. You can see the 50th anniversary badge, GTR badge. It's got the treasure hunt logo, or 25th treasure hunt on the back. And the tail lights are nicely done. That Spectra Flame blue is really nice, and the wheels that they chose are perfect. The black with the blue lip. It's got the GTR on the front, and of course the headlights are attached and a part of the window, just like those little vents on the hood too. So super sweet, super stoked I found another one. So it's going to go with all my super treasures that I have. I like it because it's real close to the first super treasure hunt I found of the Tesla, that nice blue. Real close, except the Tesla's got all black wheels. This one has the same wheels, but just with the blue lip. So awesome, awesome finds today. Cannot complain whatsoever. And yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you like down below as far as all these castings. And yeah, until next time, guys, stay tuned for more. This is Ollie with the Mustang Hunter. Peace. That's caught in the crossfire.